your career with HTML and CSS coding. We provide step-by-step tutorials. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at blackhat_coders. Today, we are going to learn about the basics of HTML and CSS coding. So let's get started. So what's HTML? Hypertext Markup Language, a standardized system for tagging text files to achieve font, color, graphic, and hyperlink effects on World Wide Web pages. HTML contains elements and tags. The elements have opening and closing tags, which we will discuss next. H1 tags are used to indicate the primary topic of your web page to visitors and search engines. The following arrows indicate what the opening and closing tags look like. Now let's do an exercise and apply what we have learned so far. For this exercise, you will need to open an online code editor using the below link, onecompiler.com/html. Make sure you write the link as it is on your browser. After you have changed your H1 text and replaced it with the text, My First Web, click Run and see if your results match. That's all for today. For my next video, we will be going through H1 elements to H6 and how they are used.